Welcome back. This is Nick Hassan, FMIS 2201, working with Aptana. Now we're ready to launch Aptana, and if you've pinned Aptana to the start page, you should be able to see the Aptana icon appear on your start page in Windows, and of course you can also search for it on the Mac using your Spotlight. And here it is, Aptana Studio. Go ahead and launch it. When you launch Aptana, the first screen that you should see is the workspace launcher. Here, Aptana's trying to get you to point itself to the right folder. And this is a very important step, because if you point to the wrong folder, then you might not find files that you've been working with. So the default folder is Aptana-03 Workspace, which we're not going to use. Instead, we're going to browse to the right folder. Now, some of you might have already clicked into Aptana-03 Workspace, and might even have clicked use these as a default, and you're stuck, you can't find the right folder. Well, that's okay, we can fix that. But for those of you who haven't done that, you can browse to the right folder, and you can here search for it. I have my folder, my favorite folder in my FMIS 2201 teaching folder right here. So I've selected it, and then I'm going to click on OK. And as long as you can see your favorite folder in the workspace launcher, you're good to go. So I click on OK, and what's going to happen is Aptana is going to point itself to that folder. And every time you load Aptana from here on, that same folder will appear in the workspace launcher. Now, if you make a mistake and you think that you've gotten lost and you can't find the right folder, that's easy to fix. All you have to do is go to File, switch workspace, and select another workspace other than the default workspace. And here again, you're displayed. You can see the workspace launcher displayed, and you can browse to the right workspace and then click on OK, and everything should be good to go. Now at this point, you won't see anything in the Project Explorer here because we haven't set up the project folder yet. Or rather, we haven't gotten Aptana to point to our semester project folder yet. And that's our next step. You'll see you back soon.